Let's learn how to open PDFs in Helperbird. If you have the Helperbird for Google Docs free extension, you can open any PDF from your Google Drive. Simply right-click the file, scroll to Open With, and click on Helperbird. This will open your PDF in a new tab, allowing you to view your PDF and use Helperbird's PDF reading features. You can use the play, pause, and stop buttons for text-to-speech.
Chapter 1. The Boy Who Lived Mr. and Mrs. Dursley, of number 4, Privet Drive, were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious, because they just didn't hold with such nonsense.
You can also use the Translate button to have the current page of your PDF translated. You can also use Immersive Reader with your PDFs and be able to read your PDF files using all of the robust Immersive Reader features.
Chapter 1. The Boy Who Lived Mr. and Mrs. Dursley, of number 4, Privet Drive, were...
And if you click on the Summarize button, your current page of your PDF will be summarized into a condensed, easy-to-read summary of your PDF document. You can also open any PDF from your computer by clicking the Open PDF icon, navigating to your PDF, and clicking Open. This will open in a new tab, just like opening it from Google Docs.